Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have first the derivative of y in here and original y. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative number 1 over s next to y. This is for integrating factor. So the integration of 1 over s, we have ln s. Next, the negative will go inside about natural law in here. So this one we have s to the power of negative number 1. So I will put about 1 over s. That means we multiply both sides by 1 over s. So this one we have y over s squared, s divided by s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about integration, the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y over s. The integration of cosine s, we have sine s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.